Now that our eggs have been beaten so they're a nice uniform color, we're going to add sugar. This recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, so you can just use the 1 cup measuring cup. Scoop out the sugar and then put it in the eggs. Now you want to beat the sugar and the eggs together so that there aren't any lumps of sugar. By combining them, thus you're going to get a kind of grainy texture of the eggs, but you want it to, it's going to stay this nice pale yellow. And once there aren't any lumps, then you'll know that they've been combined properly. With the sugar all mixed in, now it's time to add the melted butter. You want to make sure that that gets all mixed in too, as the oil from the butter, the fat, will have a propensity to not want to be mixed in with the eggs.